So hey guys, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can increase the bass of an audio via using Audacity software. If you don't know, Audacity software is a very good software in which you can edit the audios in the same way which you are using Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing. It is a very convenient and moreover a open source software, so you can download the software from any site for free as it's open source and it is available for free officially. So in order to bass boost audio file, all you need to do is to just simply open the Audacity software once you download it. When you open the Audacity software, it will open something like this. Now so all you have to do is to just simply click on the button of file. You can see at the top left corner. When you click on this, you have to click on the button of open. When you open a project, when you click on the open, a window will open right in front of you where you have to select the files which you want to open in this project. It has to be an audio file. For example, if I open this file, okay, when I open this file on my Audacity software, you can see the track of the audio has been visible right in front of me. Now if I want to bass boost it, I have to first select the region in which I want to apply the bass boost. If you want to select the particular region, you can select by clicking in my mouse, or if you want to completely select all the track length, just simply hit Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. Now all of the length has been selected. Now click on the effects button at the top window. When you click on this, you will find an option of EQ and filters. You can see just like right there, it's basically equalizer and filters. And at the top of the here, you see the option of bass and treble. When you click on there, you can control the bass amount of via here, or it may be automatically set in as per its recommendation. Currently it is set on the 1. If I want to preview this, I just simply click there, and if I want to adjust the amount of bass I want to increase, I just simply move this bar. When you set the amount as per your convenience, just simply hit apply. Now the bass has been boosted to your track, and it may have been changed somewhere if you have noticed it. So by this method you can increase the bass of an audio using Audacity software. I hope this video will be interesting for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.